Hello friends, welcome to Shilpa's Home Decor Ideas. So today I will show you best bathroom shower design ideas. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to our channel then don't forget to subscribe it. If you want to make a shower look cool and unique, create a rain shower bathroom would be right choice for you. Rain shower can make you have some awesome bathing experience and is also a place where you can quickly relax after a hard working day. So here I have gathered top 60 amazing rain shower bathroom designs. Choose the one that is the most suitable for your house. Fashionable rain shower head will make your bathroom unique and functional, while at the same time you will able to enjoy your shower like never before. The best rain shower heads are able to bring you on a cloud nine while taking a shower will make you forget worries and stress of every day. Rain shower head also come in three different installation types: wall mount installation, ceiling mount installation, and recessed shower installation. Waterfall showers are the best choice for those who want to start and end their day with a refreshing and smoothing shower. They have the potential to turn the everyday shower into an engaging and relaxing adventure. Moreover, contemporary waterfall showers will add a beautiful look to your restroom. Not only this, but also bring you on cloud nine while taking the shower. This happens only when you have. Waterfall showers offer a lot of advantages, especially if you are living with your family. Waterfall showers provide a new level of excitement to the kids. Taking shower always has been a difficult task for them, but waterfall shower advanced feature make this task much easier. They make shower taking experience full of adventurous, fun and enjoyable. Rain shower heads are a luxurious way to get clean and add a stylish flair and spa-like experience to your own shower at home. Unlike traditional shower heads, rain shower heads are typically larger and contain more small holes from which the water flows, which creates the relaxing sensation of standing in the rain. They come in various sizes and styles and all offer different experiences. Rain shower head advantages: standard shower nozzle use high pressure to run water right to your body, which sometimes hurt you along the way. In contrast, rain shower head let the water fall and don't push water out. Rain shower head will give you a larger coverage span compared to regular shower head. Another advantages of rain shower system is that it is very fashionable. Bathroom shower ideas consist of various options to choose from, unlike those days where there were standard normal shower pipes attached to the wall. Various type of shower are available in market those days where you can have a luxurious bath experience under these beautiful showers fitted in your house according to your need. For luxury and convenience, rain shower system delivers both. It combines a overhead rain shower with a hand shower to use when you want to direct the water and get an up close clean. The head shower and brass soap dish can be slip up and down to your height preference, and you can easily switch between the function or use both at once. I hope this video will help you to choose the best water shower design ideas for your house. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to see lot of more home related videos. And thanks for watching this video.